This is our snowstorm. We have to go grocery shopping. No, it's windy. Oh my god, they haven't plowed. Wow.
Where are you going? You're in a maxi. Not with your car.
No. Okay, let's go. Okay. Jesus. Look at how deep that is.
My boots.
Okay, I'm following your steps.
Yeah.
You have to walk in the middle of the street in the tires. Yeah. It doesn't even look like it's snowing on the viewfinder. Damn it, he's driving us off. It was my stupid hat. My hair's all tucked into it. Got my sweatpants tucked into my boots. I'm so gay.
Oh, wow.
Did he go through a light?
Oh, stop sign.
I haven't plowed the sidewalks on the main street yet.
Okay, go.
I'm pretty impressed with my Walmart winter boots. They're not even meant to go trapezing around in the snow. Trapezing around in the snow.
You trapeze in the snow? Yeah.
Come on, make those steps wider. She's got short, stumpy legs.
Hey! It's not my fault. You want to lead the way?
No, because you have to make way with your boots.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
have good boots to lead the way. And then you might get lost. So I got longer legs than Laura. And I decided to walk on the street since it's not plowed. She can't really keep up. Just walk on the street. I feel like an idiot. Besides the snow piles, this is ridiculous.
I don't know how we're gonna do this, Lindsay.
Oh my god, you can't. Oh shit!
Like where? Yeah, what's your stepping
Oh my
stone?
god!
Now where? Behind my car?
Behind your car or that pile over there. Oh my god. Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Hopefully Barzad will have better luck getting there on time. Look at this.
It's so tall!
They just have one of those little toboggan things. Half of the driveway, plus our front in front of the car.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to pile the snow there.
The morning after the snowstorm. Can't really see much. This is all shoveled clear. It's about 2 inches already on there. Yeah. We got our neighbor who's a plow guy. Oh, there's my car. Okay, yeah. That's the snowbank. Outside of our house.
And I'll sit by the fireplace and take calls from all the wonderful children of Montreal.
Excellent. And we'll update you when you're going to be on with Peter Anthony Holders. Thanks, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Santa. Santa Claus.
Yeah, you can see what's around the freaking corner.
Time. It certainly looked like the North Pole here the last couple of days. And this morning on the roads, let's take a look at the conditions and how slow it is for you, Catherine Woods.
I'm going to get into an accident.
Road conditions right now, we're looking at fair conditions. You have some lanes on the highways and the bridges that are still partially snow covered. On island, things are actually moving along quite well.
That's
you have
just
some
off the car
The wind
somewhere.
that we're getting is making things a little tricky in spots, also making it really still have to watch your speed and keep your
Yeah, good
distance.
stop there,
Right now,
asshole.
seeing much lighter volume than usual for you. 20 westbound, we had accidents in the building to the 13 north, quite snowy, and the cars were having a hard time getting
That's
through
freaking
there.
hilarious.
So that if you are headed in that direction. Highways 40 and 20 through the West Island are working quite well. 40 eastbound sluggish Coquillas into the Carry Circle. 20 eastbound looking great through the yards. Very light volume.
Well, I'm at work, so to speak. Nobody ever plowed our parking lot. So I'm parked way down and around the corner because there's nowhere to park. See all these cars along the street? Those are all the cars that are supposed to be in my parking lot. Yeah. I don't know if you can see, but there's a big pine tree. That's where my work is.